Okay, what's up, y'all? It is Friday, May 20th, and hopefully I will be having this content up by Tuesday, because I'm going to take all the important clips I had for the last 2 weeks, because there's some things that I did do, and there's some things I just talked, you know, and there's some things, you know, whatever. So anyway, I already have put my foundation on. So what I'm doing today, I am telling you about, I got an outfit from Shein for my sister's birthday. So I'm going to show you, oh God, it's another thing. My hands are always ashy, because I'm always washing my hands. For real. That's why my knuckles look like that, y'all. I put lotion on. It's just I'm always washing my hands. I'm always washing my hands. Okay. So I put foundation on already, because sometimes when I do it on camera, I was trying to do it last time for my birthday, for the birthday thing, and child, this whole side was not covered. I looked like I had a mask on my face. I was like, no ma'am, we are not going to put that, we're not going to post that up. I got these glasses here. These glasses from Amazon. These the glasses from Amazon. I think the other glasses were from somewhere else. But these are so cute, and they are well made too. It's not cheap. It don't feel cheap. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to do the eyelashes. I'm going to do color. I already have that on. I already have that on, you know. I already have the foundation on, and they're like corner. So what I'm gonna do is do like go ahead and do mascara. Mascara. Eyeshadow. This is a wig that I had reviewed on my last vlog about my birthday. You can fast forward it, because I'm talking too much on that one. I mean, just fast forward to the wigs, bro. If you want to listen, you can listen, but just fast forward to the wigs. Oh my God. Okay, so what we're gonna do, since I'm wearing orange, I'm going to do these two. I might do this for the base, and then this orange. Probably these three. 1, 2, 3. So I might use those. Remember, I got these from the shein off of Amazon. Shein have a makeup box that you can purchase on Amazon. I think it's like for $64. I will be putting on these lashes. Okay, if I'm doing like this and you can't see me, I'm sorry, because you know we don't want the lashes on my eyelid. I already told y'all about that. Y'all see my nails? Samaria did really good. I don't know if y'all can see. See that? She did really good on my nails. I'm so proud of her. Anyway, so lashes. So what did I say? So I'm gonna do my brows first. Then I'm gonna do my eyeshadow, eyeliner. Then you put on your lashes. That's what I was talking about, lashes. I be seeing people have their lashes on their eyelid. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! get a little mirror. Look down. Not look up. Because if you look up, you're going to put the eyelashes on your eyelid. Okay? Put it on your eye line, where your eyelashes line. You see? Wherever you, right here, where your lashes come out, in that crease, push them in there. Not under your eye. Not under the eye. So you can do that under the eye. They do that when you do individual. When they do the individual, they put it under the eyelid. Under the eyelid, under there. But you put that mug right there. Right here. Not right here. Right here. Let me have makeup and everything on. Stop it. It's not cute. I try not to stare. I be trying not to stare. I really try not to stare. But anyway. Okay. So what we're going to use today. I had kind of organized this time, so I'll know, because I have this all what I'm going to use. So I have this is the eyeliner, Maybelline eyeliner. If you hear a little baby meow, that's the little baby. Okay. I like using this for your eyebrows. I like using this for your eyebrows. This is why I am going to camera exchange, because it's supposed to do an automatic focus, and it's still trying to focus on my. Anyway, this says eyebrow marker, and it has 3 lines on it, so you can brush up. So before you do that, you brush your eyebrows so they won't go all different ways. You brush it up like that. And you do like that. Ooh, it's already curved. It's already curved. So we're gonna go up like this. We're gonna go up like that. What I like about this is because it's shaped like an eyebrow. You know, it has the 3 combs, 3 brushes, and once you put it on, it comes on like hair. It's really nice. I really like it. That way it won't look so pencil-y. Pookie, you gotta wait now. Stop it. Okay, so then we go up. This eyebrow is more thinner than my other eyebrow, and it's more shorter. I mean, why? You see how that does that? This is perfect. I love this. It really, like, whoa, that is perfect. That looks natural. It don't look penciled in. That looks really good. It looks great like this. Okay, so now, oh, okay, I got that too. Okay, so now, usually people do since I did the eyebrows so great, I'm not going to do the concealer of the eye and all that stuff. I'm not going to do that. So This will really help you just to go over your eyebrow. It's gonna help you go over your eyebrow. It's just really gonna help you go over your eyebrow in a way you don't have to do the concealer and all that over your eye. So let's see what patterns or whatever we gonna do. Okay, so I've learned if you have your different brushes for different things, that's how it's going to really look nice on your eyes. You got to use the correct brushes. Okay, this brush is for if you want to line up something. If you want to color, say right here, and you want to line it up, you use this brush. Okay, you use that brush, and then on this brush you use this to get the color when you want to put it all on your eyelid like this. Okay, so let's do the base. That is shimmery. I don't know if I want that shimmery like that. So then I guess I'm gonna use, okay, so I changed up, so I'm gonna use this one instead of this one because it's shimmery. When you put it over your eye, it's gonna be shimmery. So because I wanted a base, kind of like a base. Okay, so I'm gonna start right here and start all over my eye. Okay, good. I'm gonna have to start. These are all cheap makeup. This is for people that's beginners. I am a beginner, and this is for people that's practicing how to be creative with your makeup. Always start. Don't just jump up and get expensive makeup. Always start mid-range. Don't get stuff so cheap that it break you out. But always get something mid-range or something, you know, to where it is safe for your skin. But get something cheap enough so where you can get the mascara, you can get everything, so that you can practice on it. And then once you get good at it, then yeah, you can start upgrading to more. Because when you because I'm gonna tell you this, once you get the hang of it, and if you don't wear makeup that much, buying expensive makeup is just not the point. Okay, so then this orange, you remember that brush I showed you? So I'm gonna try to do the little line, which will be cute. Actually, let me try this. Let me see. Well, no, because sometimes when you do shimmery stuff, it can overpower the other color. So I'm gonna use the orange. I'm gonna use this orange color here. I'm gonna use this orange color here and outline. Let's see if you can see it. And that's another thing too. When you use cheap when you do use cheap eyeshadow, sometimes that stuff don't come out on your skin. It don't show because it's so powdery. Like this look like it's not showing. Okay, so I need a stronger color. Cause this mug acting like it don't want to show. Always do your eyeshadow and everything before you put on your mascara and your liner, because you'll mess it up. You'll mess up everything you did on your eye. Okay, let's see if I can get this orange on here. Ooh, that's looking good. All right. All right. Okay. Okay. That should be fine. I don't know. Okay, so now let's go to the next one. Wipe this off. Just make sure how is y'all doing today? How is y'all day today? How is y'all day? What's y'all goals? What are y'all goals? I know my goals are much. And I have so much. Maybe I'll put a little something right here. I'll do that later. I'm getting ideas. Sorry. Like, do something right here. Oh my God. Like something right there. Free to dance and sing, free to lift my hands and worship. Lord, I'm free. Lord, I'm free. Whew. So, let's see. Today, I'm going to take the kids to the mall because they've been cooped up in the house for the last couple of weeks. The only one, the one that really been in the house cooped up is Marcel. I've been so busy with a bar and all this other stuff that he has not. He has to get his hair cut. He has to get his haircut today. He got to get his shoes for his suit. And he's going to try on his suit today. And I got it from Amazon, y'all. 3-piece suit. Amazon trying to shut everybody down, yo. Amazon trying to shut everybody down. You hear what I'm saying? They trying to shut everything down. You know what? This cat is really trying to get here. Get on my table. Hey, get down. Get down, out, down, down. There's not no free for all. Anyway. My bad. I'm sorry. Hey, one moment. Who you think it is? Cats, class. This not no cat playground, bro. Anyway, all right. He looking like, what the hell's wrong with her? Nothing. Don't be climbing on my couch like that. Anyway, so let's put this other orange on this side, on this eyelid. Oh, my bad. You know, Very animated of me. Okay, we do need some shimmer on top of here. So we're gonna put some shimmer. We gonna put some shimmer on top of these eyes. We gonna do that. Let's put some shimmer on here. We're gonna shimmer it, shimmer it. Have your eyes looking like a disco ball. I want to throw. Get down off my couch. You get on your play area. Play area right here. Sit right here. That's your play area. Don't climb on my couch like a tree. It's not trees. Hey! Oh. I already trained one. The other one think I'm crazy, so I'll get out. So he run when I do that. This one is in the learning process of how crazy I am. Anyway, let's move on. I'm here fighting with cats. Okay. Oh, I had to do it under my eye. Be looking crazy. Fighting cats looking crazy. I was at the club one night. Oh, no, I'm sorry. She looked mine. Wait, what did he say? She looked kinda throw to me. He was singing like he was gonna get a Grammy. She was gonna throw it. That's exactly how he said that. Oh, this is coming out nice. I like this. Now you playing with my feet. I'd rather him play with my feet than him using my couch as a goddamn gym. Okay. So, I'm gonna put some shimmer on top. The best way to put shimmer on there is use one of these to put the shimmer on. So the shimmer I said I was gonna do, I'm gonna do the one that I said I was gonna use. So let's put the shimmer right over the orange. You see that? Put the shimmer over the orange. That's how you do that, guys. You're like, how do you work that out if it's shimmering? You put it on a naked eyelid, it's not gonna come out. Put a color, a solid color on first, then put the shimmer eyeshadow on top, and it will pop. You heard me? You heard me, yeah. She look gonna throw to me. She look gonna throw to me. Okay. See, all my kids is at school, but he's a baby, so kittens are a lot. But it's best to get kittens because you can raise them where you want to raise them. You can train them. If they behinds already trained and they big and stuff, Alright, now I think I'm satisfied with this, so I am done with that. So now I'm going to do the eyeliner and then the lashes. So for the eyeliner, I'm going to do the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Eyeliner Ink. The camera's saying it's overheating. You see what I'm saying? This is, I don't know what's going on. Let me stop it. Okay. We have to keep on going. It was saying it was over and I had to overheat and then I had to stop. That's what I'm saying. This was most of the complaints about a lot of customers. Customers about this camera, that it overheats and it don't even be on that long. You know what I'm saying? Just like, that's annoying as all get out. It was a tip that somebody was saying, when you put on eyeliner, you can start from the middle. Start from the middle and draw. Start from the middle and draw. So you don't have to draw the straight line from eye tip to eye tip. Just do it in the middle and then do it like that. And then you can make your tail at the end. Oops. You can make your tail at the end to it's so hard doing it on the left. I'm right-handed. Like this side is gonna be messed up. You see how I'm starting in the middle? Start in the middle. And then work your way to your eye like this. To the front. And just follow the line. So I won't be crooked. Especially after you did your eyeshadow and all that stuff. Yeah, take your time to start in the middle. I'm gonna do the lashes. I'm gonna hurry up because it's still flashing, saying it's about to overheat. I'm gonna turn this off and I'm gonna do my lashes off, and then I'll turn it back on to do the shein. I'm gonna put my lips and everything on, but I have to let this cool, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys my outfit. Okay, all right, now the eyelashes are on. I am sorry I wasn't able to do it, but I can't wait. I got other stuff to do. So what I did was I used this brown eyeliner, and I use this color lip gloss. So I put those two together and made a toothbrush lip gloss. Made it lip, like the lip look. Oh, where the hell that came from? Anyway, so yes, so this is the look. It is not full coverage, but it'll do for right now. Ooh, I think I put too much glue on that eye. This is bothering me. So I'm gonna set my face. Eyelash. Okay. Lord. Okay. Too much glue in the corner. So I'm gonna set my face like that, and everything is balanced. The cat, sorry, I'm just, you know, this cat is gonna be in this cage right here. I'm gonna put him in the cage. Time out. Cause he's getting on my nerves, jumping up on my covers and stuff. But anyway, okay, so now I'm showing you what I got from Shein. These are this is the outfit, this is the shirt. Let me follow it more. This is the shirt I got from Shein. Here. I need to go to physical therapy so I can stand straight. I still standing crooked. These are the shorts. They are stretchy. I got these in a 1X. And it is so cute. They stop right here to your mid-thigh. Not that short. And this here was an anniversary gift RSL had gave me this year. When he passed, it came in the mail. And he had I love those bears with the big eyes and stuff like that. They're so cute to me. So he had a bear to match. It's a little puppy. And he had a puppy and it matched that. It was so cute. And then these are from Final Touch Jewels. These here, these earrings are from Final Touch Jewels. They're really cute. And then these shoes I got from Shein. Y'all, these are so freaking comfortable. Like, I can walk in these all day. I got these from Shein. And these are a size 6. Yes, I have small feet. So, yes. So, I don't know how they do it. I gotta learn. But, I can't. It's not long enough. So, I'm trying to give y'all full body. So I'm gonna set it back. Let me see. Okay, so yeah, so you can like put it in. I don't have no girdle on, so excuse me, I don't care. So you can put it in like this and make it slouchy. You can even tie it. You can even tie it up like this. Oh, I gotta do with 2 buttons. Oh no. You can tie it like that. You know. So it is a very stretchy. They're very stretchy, y'all. I really love these shorts. So, y'all, excuse my stomach. I have a stomach, so that's just it. I don't crop. I don't crop out nothing. I don't make myself thinner. Even on my selfie pictures, I used to use filters, but then it started making me look unreal. So, all right. So, this is the final look, and I would do blush, but I don't feel like it. Please focus. Okay. Oh, dog. So this is one thing I hate about neighbors sometimes. I'm calling you, confirming about HOAs and talking to you about stuff. You worried about my tree that I need to take care of. You know I'm the only one person here at this house. If you want to help, bring your behind, come over here and chop off the tree. Oh, I don't care about your others. It's just visible. Look. I get to it when I can get to it. I got 5,000 things on my list. Your ass need to wait. Period. I mean, I'm calling you about something else. Don't complain about what's in my yard. Do you understand me? I'm gonna talk with my nails. Do you understand me? Stop it. Then go ask me. Just nosy as you need a man. Get a man. You've been lonely too long. Next door. Lonely too long. Look. Don't be talking about look, that's pick up. You see the paper on there where it says have it pick up? What was that? I thought y'all was moving. Are y'all moving? I thought y'all wasn't moving. Is that your neck? Girl, I am calling about one thing. One thing only. Neighbors, stop being nosy. Ugh. Stop being nosy. Just stop. This gonna get on my this gonna get on people's nerves because I'm doing this. You can tell I don't wear nails a lot, so I'll be doing this crazy. But anyway, so yeah, so tomorrow is Marcel's little 8th grade prom, and we got his 3-piece suit, and he wanted blue, so we're gonna wear blue, and we're gonna take pictures just like that. You know, let me tell you something. Marcel is still dealing with, but he deals with a lot of behavior problems, but it's not the behavior problems as aggressive. It's mostly mouth, which is mostly kids, yes. But it's mostly understanding time management and being obedient. And he used to get offended with everything, even when you say I knew that I had to get him therapy. If we'll say, Marcel, what's wrong? He'll say, why you say that? Why you say what's wrong? Focus, camera, what the? And you say, what's wrong? He was like, what's wrong? What you mean what's wrong? Why did you say that? I don't get it. I mean, when I say he'll get like, it was like an attack on him, and we were like, Marcel, we just trying to figure out what's going on with you. Well, I don't know. So it's like a little things. So little things like that. We had to, number one, I believe in prayer. And I believe in prayer. I believe in therapy. And I believe in medication. I believe in God. Okay? So all those things can work together for better. Okay? So what I did was sometimes it will be so bad to where we all escalated, because he escalated. Even when he escalated, we escalate. And when parents escalate, we want to just, we fought before, we slapped before, we did all that stuff before. But we notice when you escalate more, the more it is, the worse it gets. My thing now, even though it gets on my nerves, the best way, give me a computer. I don't have time to fight with you. I'm not gonna fight. Give me a computer. We can talk about this later, because I don't have time to go back and forth with you. And we did take your medicine, so we're gonna give you minutes. But give me your phone, give me a computer, and you're going to just think about it. Oh, well, I'm so sorry. No. Okay, so those things, and then also timing, like getting up for school is hard for him, and it's just regular life things that people do that's easy for other people to do. It's hard for Marcel. So but I am so proud of him because this actually the first year he really participated in Special Olympics. He usually have a bad problem with focusing on a sport. So this whole year, the only one was basketball. That was the only one. That was the only one he had a problem focusing on. But and then it's not really the focus, it was the out of shape. He's out of shape. And when he feel out of shape, when he feel like he can't run, he gonna stop running. So we gotta get him back in shape. So probably all of us, because when I was walking that rooms ago, I was like I went like 5 miles something walking. Anyway, so yeah, so I'm gonna stop talking because I don't want this video so long. But anyway, so yes, so we're gonna do the prom tomorrow, and I don't know if I'm gonna show I'm going to upgrade my vehicle. Dealerships are buying your old vehicles, so I am going to upgrade my vehicle, but I don't know if I'm going to film it. I might film it and I might not film it. Okay, if it's too much information, I don't want too much information on this YouTube. I got too many people in Houston. I got 2 people that know me. Anyway, so it's yeah, so I will be upgrading. I have a 2005 Honda Odyssey. Y'all, Odysseys, Toyotas, you gonna buy them old like that, and they drive like a new car. And they go up to, well, Toyota goes up to like 300,000 miles. So if you buy a Toyota that's 100,000 miles, it's brand new, baby. That you ain't much broke it in yet. So stuff like that, you know, I like to purchase, because I'm not about to purchase nothing that's gonna last 3 years and then I gotta purchase something. No, I want to purchase something until it just clunk out, you know, something that I love. You know, this is what I want to do. So I know the kids will love it, and then I'm going to yes, I'm going to do that. So this is going to be, let's see. So, what I'm going to do, y'all, it is, girl, she didn't finish, she did people nails. Look at my daughter. Look, she did somebody's nails at school. Look at this. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. Come on, Samaria. You see what I'm saying? And look, let me tell you something. My daughter is in life skills. She's artistic. They can still do. Do you understand? Do you understand? They can still do. My daughter, Abira, editing, still do. Marcel is gravitating to technology. Like, he like my daddy. My daddy was often to putting stuff apart, computers apart, and trying to figure out how. Marcel is like that. So I have all 350, and when they are on it, baby, they become perfect at it. So do not discourage your child, even if they have disabilities. That's why I say, if your child have a disability, don't make it as a burden. Just make sure you have the weaks and the strengths and weaknesses, and ride on their strengths and help them through their weaknesses. You hear what I'm saying? Girl, look at this, girl. I'm so, you know what I'm saying? She doing nails at school, y'all. She doing her student nails. This so beautiful. Look at that. Who gonna do that? Who do that? Who don't do it? Girl. I'm done. I'm done. That's the end of my thing. That's the end. That's the end. That's all right now. That's the end of my day. That made my day. Sorry, I'm so over the top. Okay. Have a good day. You know what? This might be the end of mine, and I'll just start a new video. That's what I'm gonna do because it's due for another video. So please subscribe, thumbs up, comment below, please, y'all. I see a lot of people view, like it, comment, subscribe. And the people that are subscribed, thank you so much. The people that comment, thank you so much. I love y'all. I appreciate it. It was just 2 people. Okay, so it cut off on me. You can like and subscribe. And leave what I was saying was thank you everybody for leaving a comment, and thank you for liking, and thank you for commenting and viewing the video. I will see y'all later. My camera is keep on overheating. I gotta see what's going on with that because that's annoying. But you guys have a good day and love yourself. Bye bye.